Hello and welcome back. In this session, we are calculating the measure of our unknown side in our triangle when we're given the perimeter. And of course, we are still working with a scalene triangle. So if you want to see how this is done, let's get started. So in our session today, we're going to be finding the measure of our unknown side when we are actually given the perimeter. Now remember that in calculating your perimeter, we add up the sides to equal to our perimeter. So the sum of our sides is what gives us our perimeter. So in this case, we are given two sides, which is our 12 meters plus our 9 meters. Our side x is unknown, but they do tell us that the perimeter of the triangle is 49 meters. So if we know that we have two of our sides and our perimeter, we can then calculate the measure of the unknown side. So what we're going to do first is add up the sides that they do give us. So we will add our 12 plus 9, which will equal to 21, plus our x equals 49. And now here we are back to a little bit of algebra where we're working with our one-step equation, and we are going to be collecting our like terms just like we would if we were solving an actual equation. So we know that our 12 and 49 are both constants, so we're going to collect those terms or group those terms together. Now remember that with our 21, since our 21 is positive on the left-hand side, that means that when we move it to the right-hand side over our equal sign, this will turn to minus 21. So remember that if it's positive on one side, when we bring it to the next side, it's going to be a negative and vice versa. So now we're going to subtract our 21 from 49 to find out the measure of our unknown side x. And when 49 subtracts 21, we're going to be left with 28. So the measure of our side x is 28 meters. And of course, we aren't going to stop there. We have to check just to make sure that there was no faulty calculation happened while we were calculating our perimeter or our unknown side. So we are going to add up these numbers just as a fail safe. Remember, it's always good to check. There's nothing wrong with checking your answer before you finalize or just say that that is it. So let's add our numbers up. So we have 2 plus 9, which is equal to 11. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. We put our 9, carry our 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So we see that everything does add up to 49 meters, which tells us that our x is equal to 28 meters. Okay, so remember that when you're working on these type of equations, you can always go back and check just to make sure that your answer is actually correct. And get some practice in. And as always, we'll see you right here in the next video on Jules Math Tools, where we make math easy.